Welcome back to Alam PowerPoint channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to design a next level presentation with animated 3D map in PowerPoint. As you can see here, we use 3D map object and it moves seamlessly from one slide to another slide. This is easy to create, you just need to pay attention and watch this video till the end. First of all, you need the latest version of PowerPoint, otherwise you'll miss some important features. But I think the one released after 2019 is okay for learning purpose. Alright, we need the 3D world map. I downloaded it from sketchfab.com. The model is created by Max Sensei. Shout out to him and his great work. Okay, we know it's for PowerPoint, so download it in GLB format. After download is done, drag it to the slide. Now right click, format background, and then change it to black. Drag the 3D map to left. Here, if you click the map, you can see this icon. If you click and drag the icon, you can rotate the 3D map as you like. In this tutorial, I'll speed up some 3D rotating process to save your time. Now, insert a text box and write your title. Here, I just write Global Geography. Change the color to white, increase the text size, and then change your font. It looks good, but I think we can make it more unique. So duplicate it with Ctrl D, select and block the text, right click, format text effect. Remove the text fill, add solid line, and then change it to white. Here, I add a little bit of line width so it looks bolder. Now, drag the outline of text to above the white text, and then delete some of the letter on its right so it looks like this. For another text box, delete the first 3 letters on every line so your title will look something like this. For outline only text, you can add glow effect and then change the color to something dark. Alright, select and block the 2 text boxes and then Ctrl G to group it. Now we can move the text freely. Let's convert it as logo so we can adjust the size easier while still maintain the ratio. Right click, save as picture, and then save it in your files. Alright, go to insert and then drag the file to the slide. Delete the text box, so now we have this picture as the slide title text. Let's insert some more text. By the way, to save your time, I already have some of the text in my clipboard, so for me I'm just gonna paste it. Let's add more text so it doesn't look empty. Here I write save the earth, change the color to white, and then choose the font. Go to insert, click on icons, search plant. Here I choose this hand icon because it looks good for earth presentation. Change the icon color to white and then drag it to right side of the text. Group it with Ctrl G. Alright, now let's add another text on bottom corner. I'll write PPT tutorial, change the text to white and then adjust the size. Duplicate it. Here I changed another text to Alam PowerPoint. By the way, this is only for the creative purpose, and also to remind you guys, don't forget to subscribe for more unique PPT tutorials. Once we're done with the text, insert a rectangle shape and draw it like this. Get rid of the outline and then change the color to white. Now select and block the objects here and then Ctrl G to group it. Alright, first slide is done. Go to slide pane, right click and then duplicate the slide. In slide 2, select and drag the map to the right side. Click on the title logo, drag it. While holding Ctrl and Shift key, decrease the size and then put it on corner of the slide. Delete this text box. Move this text to the left. Now we'll play around with the map. In this slide, we're gonna talk about Brazil, lungs of the planet. I think we should thankful to Brazil for its oxygen production. Alright, rotate and transform the map so we can show the Brazil. Go to insert, shape, and then select L shape. Adjust the L shape to make it look thinner. Get rid of the outline, change the color to yellow. Alright, now put it on Brazil map on the globe. Duplicate it to 4 and then distribute it on every corner side of Brazil map. Okay, now it looks like a frame. Now let's go to insert and then search for location icon. Put it on the map and change the color to yellow. Insert a new text box and then write Brazil. Make sure the text color is same with the icon color. Select and block the icon and the text. Go to animation, add fade animation. In animation pane, make sure the FX start with previous. Now it's time to add the text. Just like before, I have my text prepared in my clipboard, so for me I'm just gonna paste it. Here's a golden touch. Select and block all of the slide. Go to transition and then add move transition. Alright. Now make sure to select and block all of the L shape on the map and then Ctrl G to group it. Duplicate the second slide. Now we move on to the third slide. Delete the title and description text. Here you also need to delete every effects from animation paint. In this slide, we're gonna talk about Antarctica, the most icy place on Earth. So rotate the map and make sure to show the Antarctica location. Drag that yellow shape group onto the map and then adjust the size. Now move the location icon and the text as well. Rename the text. Here I changed the text color and the icon to black to make it more visible. Now insert a new text box and then type your text. Alright, believe me guys, next step's gonna be much easier. Duplicate slide 3, delete the text. In this slide, we're gonna show Indonesia on the map. In geography, Indonesia is a country with the largest archipelago. Alright, move the frame to show Indonesia map. Move and change the color of location icon and then rename the text. Drag this text to the right corner. Now we can add the text, just like that. Duplicate the slide again. In the next slide, delete the text. Here, I'll show you Turkey map, a crossroad of east and west, a bridging country of Europe and Asia. Move the yellow frame to Turkey, drag the location icon to the map, change it to black, and do the same thing to the text. Alright, here, I drag this text to the left corner to make it more visible. So now, just like before, you can add your text. Duplicate the slide again. We move on to the last slide. In this slide, we're gonna talk about Mexico, a country that connects North and South America. Like before, just rotate and move the map carefully. Once it's done, drag and move the yellow frame and make sure it shows the Mexico map. Drag the location icon and the text and then change the color to yellow. Here, I drag this text to another corner. So now you can add your text. Alright, we're almost done guys. Go to slideshow, click on setup slideshow, go to show option and activate this option. So now the 3D map presentation is done. Easy, right? If you want another cool map PowerPoint tutorial with different style, feel free to check another video in this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.